Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll show you how to build the Minecraft crab. This crab was recently announced in the future Minecraft Live and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna be building, actually, as a matter of fact, all 3 mob vote candidates and going in order, as in the crab first. First of all, I really like the crab. I feel like I did myself with the quality and how accurate it is. And secondly, because I am rooting for the crab for it to come out, because, you know, in Minecraft, I'm a builder, and I'm a builder with Legos as well. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Anyways, now that that's all done, let's go ahead and assemble the crab. First of all, let's take the, like, torso, slash body, slash head, slash basically practically anything, and we attach the crab legs. And we do it like so. This is a bit, like, time consuming because there are so many, but this should be pretty easy. Anyways, now we add the back ones right here. Alrighty-o. Now, we take this smaller claw right here, and we put it on the left side where it has the little snippy bit, where it fits. And the other claw, the big one, goes here, which we can put it like so. And sometimes you have to angle it correctly to make it move in the right direction. But other than that, it's pretty good. So yeah, here we have the crab. This crab can do a lot of movements, and as a matter of fact, I already have built the armadillo, so stay tuned for that next. That's all I have to say. If you like this content and LEGO Minecraft content in general, then comment down below and subscribe and like and share for more awesome videos like this. Because I read the comments and I mostly build most of them, because some of them can be a bit too challenging. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe for more Minecraft content, and I'll see you in the next video.